Jake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. My uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Wagwan, my viewers and subscribers. Happy Tuesday to everyone. Enough love and respect coming from Pinky. And remember, if you don't like the truth, this channel is not for you. And people, as me said before, a country me live, so all sort of something I got in my background. Yeah. Cock crow, bird a chirp chirp, dog a bark, vehicle a pass, everything when I got in my background because a country me live. You understand? So I don't know the things that already. So people wanna remember in the other day, Queen Bee come up on the internet, come say she want to wake up the internet with some recordings, right? With some people, we have some conversation. So she can drop bomb. So everybody know I sag up and I say, but wait, I could have walk cause the was now for one can let out recordings. And who she gonna let out recordings about? Everybody is speculating and I wonder if a Curly, then I wonder if a Tina, everybody is speculating so till me hear all Adassa Torati that I call the whole horse. You understand me? That's how I call everybody. She a call Rufus, she a call Julene, she a call everybody. If you remember, say at 2 o'clock the bus a left. So then can go hear the cascas we are going over Queen Bee Sunday. Me say people, when me hear the cascas where Queen Bee put out, I am so disappointed. Me disappointed gone to bed. Because literally a garbage she put out. A garbage the woman I tell people to pay a subscription for hear. You understand me? A whole heap of recording she a play with Miss Winter. Right? A chat on something about Curly. Queen Bee say how Curly take her man and all of them something there. So what I want to know people, all of them the information there where Queen Bee a put out about all Curly. I know something what the whole media know already. She a go and like say something new she a come tell we. She a tell we things what we already know. Everybody knows say Curly a junker already. If Curly a take people husband, who for man she wouldn't take? Once this sitting have life Curly will take you. Because her whole miserable and she every minute she want a man to jump up and down in the So what is this you bring out on the internet? And this only show say Queen Bee cannot be trusted. Because you on the other end of her call, you will there talk to her and think you can trust her and only if you know say the woman that they record you. And she did have her intention, as you know people. She did have her intention because why would you sit down having conversation with Miss Winter or where not clat what she want name? Pad up all of them the information there and come say you can dash out on social media and claim to say you can expose the things them we are talk about Curly. You go on like say you're loyal to Curly and you go on like you're loyal to Miss Winter at the same time. But when me check out the tree I own is the same whole crab in a barrel. Me see Curly sheep on her platform last night and yam up her skin and her cuss. But oh Jennifer, which is Queen Bee, no nothing at all about her. You understand? And how she never take nobody man. And look here Curly, you think the people are stupid out there? Queen Bee now can't tell we not what we don't know about you. We not put nothing at all past you. Nothing at all past you. Me say you know there's something that hurt me people. Constantly me hear she a call people broke and paparazing, non-emancipated. And when you check you out, is we all up on a homeless creature. I tell you them there's something there. Or I discriminate other people as them is something there. And you notice any time one time she attack her, she have to bring Dana name in there. Where you have Dana no business in them a recording story. What you call Dana name for? Every live where you come out can do, you have to drop Dana name somewhere in the live. What Dana name have to do with anything anything like this? Dana did tell Queen Bee if you can't drop no recording with where people are give out information about you. Mr. People, 3 big old kills harlot. Enemy them here. Enemy them here. Mr. Friends like these who need enemy. Mr. Queen Bee only come out and show say she cannot be trusted. She come out say she cannot be trusted. She basically come out, say she expose Curly, but things what we already know already because as me say, we not put nothing at all past Curly. She come out with this information, she just has seek attention to herself because you see she come off a vacation now. You understand me? She want people to forward over for her page now to give her some highlights. So she come in with this boring information. She must think say did that go work. But this not work none at all. This boring, this not ready yet. This only show that you cannot be trusted. You understand me? And it look like say all of the money then when you spend off at Jamaica to Rockstone look like you want back. Look like it. That you come and tell people to pay a subscription for this Astoria. Eh? This only shows say you cannot be trusted, woman. Where you go with this information? Eh? This only shows that people are supposed to call you and have nothing at all to do with you, no matter how them stay. What kind of information this here put out? Eh? And this here tell people to pay them good money for? It's a good thing, so me never waste all my good time. Me just sit down and wait so till one next blogger come out with it. But you could have, but no, sir. 3 big old careless woman. Curly, Queen Bee, and Winter. Where them a go? Me don't know where you go with this information here, you know. This now go nowhere. This now go nowhere at all. All this could have stay. Me no know at least you really can tell people if you can spend a hard earning money if you can listen to. Eh? Me say Hadassa call the amount of somebody we Hadassa get up call one man into Rockstone because bus a left 2 o'clock. Eh? Me say to ratty dial. The amount of people we Hadassa call. I remind them say the bus a left 2 o'clock because the bomb I got drop over your yard Sunday. And at this the bomb you drop. At this you take people pay for. Woman come off of the internet here. Cause me say me know say it was something about Curly, you know. And on the other hand, me I say it look like say yeah, look some for my attention as well because you're an attention seeker. And then first I do them as something here. Yes, foul, agree with me. I know the first she do it. What is this Queen Bee? This not ready, man. Come again, man. If you seek attention or more subscribers or money, them information, yeah. I don't know information to get no attack from nobody. Because this not ready yet. Come again. This not ready yet, none at all. She big old careless girl.